Ghana Pentecostal Council me do omo ya bebre.
We do omo ya. Awo kwan ben so.
Unse obi odi nyame honhom ye adwuma bia no odi no kore ne nante. Nana emuna edifo ekika amanfo tibom na omo ka presidential candidate for ni tibom na Pentecost Council no mo we. Yes, Ghana ni a Christian country. Emuna na the false prophet ye adwuma cause tension before the abattoir na Ghana Pentecostal Council no mo we. What na shama bridge aboa wie afi na mba be gura dini.
Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
For Aquaba Shonko, and Comamusa Brace, Machibre, and Too Much GH. Munia Banana, Ama Obusa, and Nibra Aston say, trading issues on my mood and Sema Itika no Mede Ebesomo. Na Meko and Semino Emu Precopeno, your man Peditata John Dramani Mahama Apa Ponte, Ediabasu, what you can say, Abetai, a year, Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council, a GSN, a year, Womo and Sema. One more Edibe to drop on the 14th of December 2020. Aniano, na just a one more April, Womai Asundre, Omai Kanko, now Omai a year did on Makwasi, Womutina so Ekasa, FIA, Abatuono, Echilins, and Sama, a year Amanu so a year of my Ghana Emu. Na Yaman Benita John Romani Ekasan was saved. What Woma Basupa, ever woman ensem, our Macanabium, so Massagia to Muse, Sa, a year. Protester so no matter say democratic instrument I use so my matter say and now I'm say for everything at the actual nyama so mo just no wo metimi that no poma baso so mo so masusu dia say sa den de kwam to mo ho kwansa na ebiem so no wo ka bi me de sisu say elections yenim say ade a nipa do na do makoma di ekira say nipa akoma ewomu na ewomu sa so na say de all share so no wanye ni tutu ye na tese ne nyuma die no emu na pefesa dara asa kuma die kire nko anti de ebema nkofo egu efu ni nti so omugu efu a endie na esese abeye so boneke se ni titu no pa no ye fa enso isi amane ko le san se ekebi piman mu ade nkai wo ba piman mu a Ghana ye electoral commission enanka ebiman mu ya datum so wo mo de wo ma jimede e wote fine at se ye fe omi omejumedie na nso abato we nkoa echi no esema boaba no echese nyema ankoye atese bibi atese ankoye nti na nipa enya aboto yem ewa abato no echi nti nanka isi ni na mabu ya nka ese ko onye no onfa tutu okwemu saye nti ese onu enyi sa tupo no emo no se de ego boni nia ewo manga na mu wono ene ye ne fom to na emom no wo sa ehye eye wo mu nso a wo mu wo man mu Ghana fo nyandi si fo nkwa Ghana fo a womo ehu se nyama enkoye emfa isi ayena na moto na se ne conduct no womo sorry no womo sorry wakaso ewo ho na womo enchre se ade ekoso no enye ne papa mu na se womo enshow womo displeasure but emom no womo nya no ewo peaceful manner eno ena te se mampeni ene de wa bepoto ewo fukase mu edi amana ansa na make kan fukasa no edi awoka edi etudwa no mbepo amena ya ma eye odifo Prophet Bernard Esiam Aquaba Shonko wa hase ni bedi nkomo edi afa ensema beto dano ewu na as for that no Holy Ghost fire and prayer ministry na to say bwa me name na Aquaba Shonko odifo ma Aquaba
Beju suna na
ibi aboko
ya me adumi ho tempa
odifo ase mi udi eshi ache pa
ache eja yakoji amode wo ngo pepo no sunti yeba ya ese munamna break kakra
munamna break pa bia mtimiti wo ni na se bibia aboko de bibia da na kwenu sa
ya mi atu
ti eto abani nyana mo wo pepo no so
o ye ni abere pa o
matumanto abani bi
me manto abawo
wanto
me to abaye
ni na sa wo man wo ka wo man no se ko yi a ekoma anko yi so ekoma
me to abaye ni o ma ye to abaye o mo me ye de no ba ba ya mame o me ma biskan tu butum o me he me bushia mame me ana me bra he me bushia
I say your civic right wo anga sa
me di for stand na me gina na die
ma o kwai ma Okay, but in Yemuno, you say about no H declaration, no H, no, it's a summer so. We be 70 as seeming to Ama as a protest. I would do a quarter a BD fight is in it to say, I've done a had the Miami be great here. And this is for only be I protest that says, as a capon put mass attention. And that's why else say, and from memo or my move. Now, Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council, more about one tap, my way, Ghana him say, peace to soon my, as I say, we do so can say about a idea that will. Say to soon my 70% of the nation. You say to soon for an Ashim Emma. The one was about Bontabe Casadia for a treaty issue. No, go for okay, my because one Moka, one to do a dom do which is so more cancer a classroom. Now, one can yache on the 14th of December. But I say, and I'm paying that John Dramani Mahama. I'll know that end is a man you put on or no Shabba Bonte, Abeka. You also drink for the Omeka, no, I bomb a basso, but then was one was still on a fool is in the airport, or Munko, so I no more, or Munko protest in a peaceful manner. It's a man, airport, no, general wandering FO.
Nana, my mention with you for too much each. Or more shame were free a teaching adventure. May Ghana Pentecostal Council may do more baby. Where do you want more out? How can I make so? One, sir. Obi odi nyame honhom ye adwuma bia no odi no kore ne nante
no kore
emna adifo ni di omon kwase asem no mo enfa nana emna adifo nkwasiafo no ekeka amanfo tibom na omo ka presidential candidate fo ni tibom no na Pentecost Council no mo we si enyina ekuta Bible ye nyina di Bible ye di Bible ne di adwuma nyame honhom timi mu a unso be dia dan sia no mutimu every di for the same control no mo cancer money mo na Ghana Pentecostal Council no mo we GPCC no mo we
na se eno de akoye nipakuo bi
enye nipakuo bi o ti o yes Ghana na a Christian country etiamura na the false prophet eye aduma cause tension before the abattoir na Ghana Pentecostal Council no mo we what na sia ma breach abo awie afi na mo ba be gura de ni ti ade no matina ma difo ne de omo nkwase asem anya sofo ne de omo nkwase asem awie afiansa mo ba be sha ade ni this is no obi odi no kure ye adwuma bia na nyame honwo ne mu bia no ade Ghana Pentecostal Council mu bia na odifo ya o set akrade oye mo ma ni ososo incense obo ba akudi so be dia dance say do any papa no me so be ready TV be dia dance say the difo ni o takrade a ososo incense every moment papa Matcha masa so for when na ayom nkwase ade wie aposo tension tie ye be to about unti o manganam
na me ti o man
and the for many predictions by 52% point something 51% 54% unti o man it's that time na Ghana Christian can come way one way fa that time na I didn't tell sitting am for the I did for el cost me him our Ghana ti don't way fa
90 bituasi ya woma ye hwehanya matete nyama na ekoso tete akwa ba ma abedu sa be person
ada nya me kura woni ni adwuma bia na de omu me de ni adwuma sa Kristo hu matie mu bi na ti mu a mo be tum na si ho sa mo nya nkwase ade ni o man mu sa mo kasa bebre na beti once na de njomo ma edifo na koso me hem na wie akoso sa confusion when you every baby out if you know edifo ma
yeah,
because MPP side ya sound come, NDC side ya sound come. And to be anche. Open side this in a pian can be betramon. Almost something.
What do you for what's my weekend? Now, you share Ira, your former president John Dramani Mahama, also tell the apostle. Mammy Poto of Fumuna, I commend the Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council, GPCC, for the recognition of protests as an instrument of democratic expression. Elections can be emotive, and the EC's incompetent handling of the December 7th polls leaves a sore taste in the mouth of all patriotic citizens. It is important to hold the EC accountable to ensure that it purifies itself and rises again to be the leading electoral body on our continent, Africa. I still urge all who feel outraged by the EC's conduct to manifest their displeasure in a manner that is peaceful. Woman Penida that can I say, Monua, Esha, say, elections will we a idea as a nipper in the red shame, nipper a people to woman near the shame. It is a baby Elcoponia, a hano, a canoe. It is I know now I cannot say nipper the woman shame. The big Coponia, a come not Christian council, so sorry, I have Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council, I say Christian Council now. But Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council, Omabeka said, Ebeya, no, they are right, so we be protesting, we're chanting that dear, I go there, and then quite on watching at them. But yes, share, and man, yeah, protest me be Elcoswa. I said, a buffushu bim, a few have misbehavior, bim kakra, in the case of EC office, or say, a bimu misbehavior to the police for a bimu, spray and show the woman so. Ewo Ashanti region to yet say a bimu going to the sense of almost shit attack. Yet to say attack is shape no. I say a point in Pona Yan Sunti. Nice you can get you come from here. But a be yes, I will protest you. Na enka okay, Ubu Jesu say GPC Sabeka Sadamana will come here. So no so I can still now the whole shena boom this one. Mongos are protesting, and they could bring.
Maybe the moment Yena and Tokonsi, my gun once. And I won't say tension arising in the beginning of the elections.
Okay.
So what you say? We have Baba Sankom, we have Baba Cassie, we have Baba Cassie, and a whole lot of rituals and caution before the election. And the my gun it is 1% Tokosi. And can you two about
my gun of a moon for
I tell you.
Oh, okay. That's all my new one to move their also.
What must settle that?
Okay.
If you were too for now, wanting to be, you must settle that. And you won't young performer with dear hidden. A Jomo chance and can you try and walk come here before you too. No more joke for no one you're paying. And Tignanu Moja. Once and I did it. It be my cousin, GPCC. Woman, you want to my ye. Or be a Christian need direct crunk piano. Wouldn't so many much me. I didn't see a brana, Mamma soft for Libby, and you for Libby, I am Cassia, the one sham.
Let me to see a nice common shot, a bra, to a banner, Nema, got on the honor, and common shoe with me, dear
sir. I am ready to a manavia, among 4 course for Moses Sakasaka, ye Masabasa of Birmingham. And I'm in France, sir, die hard fans for no. If your mother, Mamma, you could follow watching. Won't say, go. One more ring out to sim. Once in a direction, and your son Polly be being so mom. It is also mentioned of Bentia, the corner and Pamma, and you obey. Maybe our promise of said, be back among you, I guess, and Bedia or Mampenia, may you say, may you see among Montamachi, and your pony be among. It is a memoir in a bay.
So good fool, and we knew.
And one their caution. And now, GPCC, I was saying, come with Juma, beg 2 months to the election. 2 months to the election, and was almost sorry. I saw one of the TV radio show, a book piece, a canyon, some, a chillasum, oh, yeah. Nana, and mother, 2 months to the election, 1 year. Oh, be a mamma, generating some canyon, some beer about repentance and been satire, Sakasaka, oh, be a mamma. Then we Bible Tomoko, Euto, Jelly, and Chile, and your Buddha Mushu. Well, when you ask your mind move, but no problem say we a GPCC for. I'm what right there. Move about TV show radio show. I'm about cassette here. Oh yeah.
And then Ghana forced to say, Brad John Dramani Mahama, then some of Bekaya, I said, I send my year cano, what dear to master or poor Mapaso, but I send no more cassette and no idea no cash looking because. So I will say almost statements no make it 4 points. 4 points no emuna mamisha emunu kakana yefa. Almost say the right to peaceful demonstration. The right to peaceful demonstration by aggrieved parties to the electoral dispute must be upheld and protected by the security agencies, especially the Ghana Police Service. I don't know one more can say. So peace protest no more demonstrations no there almost quite some but I know as I say Emrano enti woman police for enco was na bonde mra ebe adwuma woman kasa no kwemu and the so almost on the second point in the in the same vein we wish to encourage the losing parties to strongly consider constitutional options of proceeding to the Supreme Court with all the evidence they have gathered to seek a review of the decision of the EC. And no more air cadets to their said. Do so much to say a peaceful demonstration of more but I say, woman swa, woman a baton on so no assembly. So woman, you will be a chest from Tobin, no more bomosa, no more Falco court. Now, that assembly, you won't say anything for my can, some more pink sheet, and one more my own collection, more but protesting and one question of your demonstration and cost of it is a rap, John the man, Mamma, so what Jatuma. What Jatum said, my bento, so the insane of my canoe, I be a Jumana, because one castle of the cocotte. Woman castle of the cocotte, besides woman can do. So I Jatum walk at obey or the way moon be a man or Jatum or Bible photo. I don't know because then I find your mind with a time.
Sir, maybe the Americans anybody when you be in Sujao. Unse no obi ani da so obi wi. So what you say? Obi timi na kuma nyina sem.
Okay.
What you say? E ti sam kwa ma obenti na kwa ma so mesi. Jitum keke. Na kache wasefo ne so munya basabasa ne sakasaka no mo yam. Na asumdwe emra me for me say wo so ba be your mind yi na yentu aba na anko in your favor next 4 years wo
na so ono ne de ne say abani mu no enfumso wom abani so aso ne mu no enfumso wom enye te na nkofo to abani ne sa ne de abeto dwa ese we na di nkuni ohun ne say nkunimje no e wo mo afa but isi na ye bibi e de afa won
I don't know what is responsible.
Emrasoma is in two pints or declare. It's another protest now, one more protest to be brave.
It's when everybody was say.
I don't know, Cecilia, they asked my gun for business. Cecilia, no GPCC, so one more because I want to say, oh, shall not lose now to know. When you want to see, far when he at record. What so won't cock?
Wait, a waste of time. Daddy, Jitum Keke. Maybe Yadao, Chairman, Metoswan Masoni. Me yada woni nkofo inkasa the youth almost say o mo nkasa o so ba be your mind yi we che so ba be your mind yi daddy ebema the opposition party are more power e kura be nya ho asem aka say ye ba power aba be your mind yi ya we nyina efiri himfa chairman we nyina efiri himfa yes rawo ye mu bi obuo ma pa ye respect you highly yes rawo wache
Prophet, as I said, American won't share any. I want to say, oh, money here. It's open money here in Tinata from Swaba, Manica once a man. Oh, you're too aba. We are dear about Kubi. What you say? Any depend young from so. Ain't you funny, sir? I'm Palma. Every night, was on. I had time to say, every before cotton. Woman tree because of the pin seat. One more tree you could see him. We could see him. Sika say yepa ekosi imfa de wankasa ekosi imfa ekosi say you declare na mahama na the fadisu
enti jitum all time a favor and obi time a favor enti e de ne basa jitum keke ena me no say pains e wo ho
na say ade we de say didi obi a be ne ya say ade ni
all time ye jema e call in your favor. And MVP time, I call in your favor. When your court to be a me, but because that you court to me fancy a waste of time. Me cancer.
Let it say a waste of time now as some no or do we have to Uncle Swan protestiana.
Ah, would you have baby that? Oh, yeah, they are in the court. Yabi never call a child 2 months, 3 months, a year. Momo bomb, moon 30, moon for another means.
Let you only say protesting over your NJB at Tobita. Omedi awa ya we no ebeba from
ebetwa na the original se badia to a wa we eto na ntwe ni ti na wa bele no ase wa utia ne podua e na ba bedi nani utimi
na no na pa se e mu ya
na ntwe no ni ti no wa bele no ase u na wa ye podua yo ye panini badwuma bia bete de be kanase
me so be se menti wa se
se na ntwe edi akon a odi ni ti na edi akon eti na ngasa bele no ase a ayo ko mu a wa ye na ntwe ni podua
Enti why na chenity no why na 18
any supporters in the chenu podia. And the tina na nkasa na ma.
Onu no nyi ntum ye oni aba na enti am say won kire mu ye na me say because onu no ye peni no oda eye endi se me yeko na no. Onyi ntum say aba no se na sifate no sa na wo mu omode beto abonto onu nyi ntum ye. Onyi twa no ne ka say because was aka biem say still na wo ka kire nkofo say womu ebo enyi so no still na asem no eyo mabufo de fa isi ni eni ya ode etu de wabato nu asem no womu koso anu mu mabote no mu nkire se womu bu efu ewo ekwa ya sumbe kwa so ti we di oni ntum ye still peace councilor kasa Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic councilor kasa but still onu nyi ntum say ne so fan e no onye na to so okokot eti wati atu mo obo mabaso no ho na pese mu biem kakra nkire se ye nya ntase fa abaso body ode ye mo mu
Meme de me kase Yahudi we nyina e papa ne nyina ejina Yahudi so se Yahudi ni mu a na bia wo akomapa e mo man no a ananse timamuni no a ananse de ono ti o man ni mu a unim sa asomasi se eje sa wo bedwane agya eje kekra ono obetukwan yu e papa bo so na ma obetukwan ontere o man me na ntokwa si o man ontere ebe ka me no mienu Enfo na mefa.
Eti ono so dia o kan man ne manfo.
Just onjintum na asumwemra ni ehunu se o stand for peace. Say the dey be o kan o stand for peace. What's na dey ntie no. Onjintum na the opposition member parties a wo mudi ne ho fa na entwa. Enu kwa manfo be hunu so e papa.
Ghana fo bi so ka se baby atentene enyi ono. Alasa atentene enyi adwuma wo no. Asundue so ntimi ntina ho. Asundue ntimi ba. Eti wo mu so mu de mo Kenya atentene enyi adwuma ye. Justice has not been served. Election. This says atentene enyi wa ebe de enyi asundue say still na no.
Both MPP and NDC wo nyina ma me ye baako. Both MPP and NDC me bi njo mo bi baako kora ni. Wo nyina wo ye baako. We ba power na we wo opposition a e wo de we beka. We wo opposition na we ba power e wo de we beka. Wo nyina mo mfa ni wo mo sa no mo nyina tie. Ye from 2000 ever. Nana from 2000 ever ya to about to be say no mo nyina tie. Empty barrels make the most noise. We ba power the opposition party be na tem sa be nya ni kaseti oba power no ye di. Ye dini nyafu enom no many times by ye dini nyafu yes some enom is overafi
omo taye
ya wo here wo nyina o ma me ye baako e tu ye baadin ba na ntina se na tu ani hwe the future of Ghana o man wo mu mienu nyina hwe wo ye Kristonia na Ghana Christian community wo ye Kristonia hwe wo no oma enu abusuna wanu benya power oma enu abusuna wo nana wo ye odoma ni chop money wo me go so be chop money amon wan kasa mu obeto diamond obeto asase amon enti adenti na won tena otoso enu nwase na won nwe wo ho as a good citizen na won pa adwuma bi mpa wo nsa wo emfa nye ena me kai wo station say onipa obiara oye college oye good Christian bia enya politics one year boba o Kristo ni papa bia no onye politics time anu ye campaign na me gina ba bi preach jese de Kristo ko nya bre ni se party t-shirt ni abobo mo fresh na sefo na me hu ye church member bu na me shime when that time ye campaign I'm both NDC ni MPP Kristo campaign way on the day of election Kristo ni ba ne campaign ma Ewrade na bi busa samu on the day ye be to aba no kiri jese Ghana Kristo Ghana ya bosoman se GPC ni bi tie mi a me say prophet Bernard Esia Ghana ya bosoman why Christian country ye ni bra ye pa Accra e bi am Alpha and Omega why the country say Ghana Christian country what be a Christian country one country Ghana for say wo munya lo to twa no munya nsamo no munya chacha so ka bet na my bet wo munya
Oh, di for ye come on every year and na say easy. And as I see they will be adding the action and so say one no onka bibi. One to why na jumebie. I'm a cry, one more declare break a cry for Christmas break cry New Year break. As to now protest no aircoso. Now a man penny that John the man Mama so air still now and formula bonting. Now one metre, one will for sure, one will in your battle echinia, one cause of that one I was to drink as you where Coco shouldn't send the air canoe, the air chain so make a gap or not so a near to take, and one so more catana to your mother so come to you know, send pan if I could see a woman.
Me make a Christian for moon pie.
Okay.
A Christian for your moon pie, a woman. We are the man and Tokaba. We are Ubatinia a higher blasted, Ubatinia Kunipa, Ubatinia Yisi, a two quadma, should be born Quabia, or money will be eating. This is the time and cause a Christian for any pay near bomb pie a young million. Yanshi didn't pass your a Christian for crown wow, and you didn't say, I don't pass your son qua. Young care for your cotuaba, and a Christian for your campaign, a moon pie. Na ka munche mu nyamsom sa mo se mu ye nyamsom ni mo na mo yo mampania adenti na Kristofo ni nsigina ye etuwe mu nyina wa na ye me de metima kan se ba bia ye dunu ye du okono se usu ye Kristoni ya na Ghana e Christian country ya mo ma ye hunu Kristosom a yenye ye e de nyamsom na we mu o Kristoni o ye basabasa o Kristonia oye campaign ema NDC MPP na Yesu de alpha de weja ato we sese Ghana eye abosomsoman kobusa Ghana ase ora bi se na Ghana yegu ensa e o yetiri so Kristo soman be yegu nsa o yetiri so mi busa wa se mo a heaven mesrew se empanimfo de ba samun kokon topa mun kan kire o mo se Omo form papa no mo mami eni okona no na mo nso mo beba media prophet Bernard Esia abeda Holy Ghost and Fire Prayer Ministry anu mesirawo anwofe me di Yesu di mpa o chaw wati ni wakame emfa ngosi ba bia e bia o hebe wo amane bi atiti bi koda na bia betinya freme ni atwetwe nkomo eye 0249 631876 0249 631876 and I say 020-385-1633 020-385-1633 me pauche wati mu akabe emfa bibia ama yonkodo biakoye mwana mukai manwato
Wanuato ampa ebusia for Prophet Bernard Esem the bachona doing efa eye mampeni dada John Dramani Mahama basubodi ode abebo GPCC ewo womo ensem mo de abetudwa efa eye abato no etusu aso no ewo nebusa for ye di besi ase won't wadre twe no efa hono ehu ya pa bomodi ade fasumye ewo ye comment section na ebiem to se wo pe Prophet Bernard Esem na oni de kuma number no edase o na wa fa number na wa friend no na make am say too much GH with my follow ewo ye Instagram and your Twitter handles at @TooMuchGH_. Facebook also too much GH within Edna na ama also subscribe someone subscribe na me adma ever say they shall be macramo.